Sweden is opening its doors once again, and this time, it's through an official international job fair. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about Sweden Day 2025, the official event where verified Swedish employers are recruiting international workers for visa-sponsored jobs. From healthcare to tech and construction, this could be your direct path to work and live in Sweden with your family. Let's get into it. Sweden, like many other EU countries, is facing a massive shortage of skilled professionals. The demand is especially high in healthcare, engineering, IT, and manufacturing, and local talent isn't enough to fill these gaps. That's why the Swedish government supports international hiring programs like Sweden Day 2025, to attract skilled workers from around the world. Industries and employers participating. This event will feature verified Swedish employers and organizations from key sectors including healthcare and elderly care, nurses, caregivers, and support workers. IT and tech, software developers, data analysts, and system engineers. Construction and engineering, electricians, welders, mechanics, and civil engineers. Manufacturing and logistics, machine operators, warehouse assistants, and technicians. Each participating employer is authorized to hire international workers, and many of them provide visa sponsorship. Who can apply and eligibility? Anyone can apply, regardless of your current country of residence. You don't need to be in Sweden to participate, the fair is fully online, and both skilled and semi-skilled applicants are welcome. What matters most is your experience, your willingness to work in Sweden, and your ability to meet basic job requirements in English or Swedish. How to participate, step-by-step guide. Step 1. Visit the official event page, europeanjobdays.eu/n/event/Swedish Day 2025. Step 2. Click Register, and create your free job seeker profile. Step 3. Upload your CV and supporting documents. Step 4. Browse the list of employers and apply directly to the roles that match your experience. Step 5. Attend the online event live on November 20th, 2025, where you can meet recruiters, ask questions, and even get interview invitations. Benefits of attending. Direct contact with Swedish employers, no agents, no middlemen. Access to visa sponsorship jobs and relocation assistance. Family visa inclusion for eligible applicants. Official support from Sweden's National Employment Service, Arbetsförmedlingen. This is one of the safest and most transparent ways to migrate and work in Sweden legally. Tips to prepare. Make sure your CV is in English or Swedish and includes your work experience clearly. Highlight relevant skills and certifications, like IT, healthcare, or construction. Prepare your documents early, passport, references, and qualifications. Finally, be active during the fair, attend sessions, ask questions, and show interest. This is your chance to connect directly with real Swedish employers, no agents, no scams. If you're serious about working abroad in 2025, Sweden Day could be your best opportunity yet. Apply early and make sure your profile stands out before registration closes. I'll leave the official link in the description. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update on countries currently offering visa sponsorship jobs. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.